and it is my intention to honor an agreement. In fulfillment of a sacred commitment to serve as Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman and member of the Commission on Appointments for a concise term of 1.5 years, I find it both a duty and an honor to uphold the essence of a prior agreement. This decision is rooted in a deep-seated belief that public office demands fidelity to pledges made. Ang pagtupad sa kasunduan ay nakabatay sa aking malalim na paniniwala na ang pangako na maglingkod na maikling panahon ay isang sagradong tungkulin sa paglilingkod sa bayan na dapat tuparin. It is my intention to honor an agreement.